grow on. We would like to acknowledge our partners. Our venue partners, Waterfront Cebu Hotel and Casino.
Dagang salamat po sa inyong lahat for being
very meaningful din sa akin ang Waterfront kasi I remember this is where I also had my very first show in Cebu, yung nga pag years ago. So maraming salamat po. And please feel free to sing along in this timeless, I can't get him out of my dreams.
But kay nagtiguang naman sa gamay, nakalimot na ako. But I do know that I've been here many times, and every time I feel welcome dito sa Cebu. So thank you so much. And it all started when this song was released. More than 20 years ago na siya. So gusto na akong magpasalamat na hantod karon from being a band member.
I was never really like this before. Need I say more? Or maybe I'm confused when you are near. I don't know what to do or I should be. There's masakit man ang nakaraan, nalimot na. Ang tulad mo'y naiba, at sa'yo lamang nakita ang tunay na pag-ibig na hinahanap. Buti na lang.
All of my dreams, pagiging musician or singer, lahat started here in my hometown. Di ako nitabo sa Barilan. Yes. So sa ako mga kaibigan na rin. And of course, music, we bring it everywhere. So whether it's about life or music. Here we go. For the now, breaking out, breaking in, never knowing what lies ahead. We can really never tell it all. No, not now. Say goodbye, say hello to a lover, a friend. Sometimes we live our good. Someday. One day, you'll see us through my life. One day, I won't be away. I'll be happy somewhere, even if I can. I know.
I want your disease. I want your everything as long as it's free. I want your love. Love, love, love. I want your love. I want your drama, the touch of your hand.
Ito sa'y nakakama. Nasa akin na lahat, bakit namumulila? Anak, makita ka, ibang sigla ako.
Don't let it bring you down until your face into a frown. We'll get along with a little prayer and a song. Everybody singing.
I'm ashamed of what I become in the mirror. The face of my one true enemy. Hallelujah, it's a new day, let's take control. If I have to take this message door to door, see myself in every soul. With a mission, I'll make this my personal mission.